Hey guys, welcome to Shin's TV channel, and I'm back with another video.
And it goes a little something like
Today I'm back with another video. So guys, this company UNice had they contacted me to do a hair review video. I have worked with them before and I do really love their hair. So let's open this box and see what's inside. As usual, they put some information on the back and stuff like that. So let's open the box. So this is how everything comes. This is the hair, the cute little headband, and a two-piece wig cap, which is very important to me when you get a new wig. The headband, not so much if it's a closure, which this is a closure wig. So this wig is a, I don't even remember. Okay, so it's, I will put the information below, but it is a closure, a 4x4 closure, scalp like they say, lace wig. It is like a highlighted blonde, honey blonde, I don't know, but let me show you guys how it looks. And it is straight 14-inch 150 density. So this is how the hair comes, and you know you got that baggy. So this is the hair. This is the hair. Okay, so I chose this color because, you know, I've always been doing the black hair, so I wanted to try something different. So it's like a highlighted with different blondes. It looked different on picture a little bit. I'll probably put a picture of how this looked on picture right here or right here. I don't know where, but anyways, this is how it looks, and I love the colors. It's a lot of colors, you know, a lot of brown going on up in there, but you know, we're gonna work with it and see how it looks. I think it will match my skin complexion, but let's not judge yet. So far the hair is really nice. I do not have any shedding. Like, I don't have any shedding. You guys can see I'm pulling on the hair and there is no shedding. This is the inside of the wig. So you have 1, 2 combs right there, and a comb at the back. You have these straps to adjust to fit your head, and then this is the little piece of lace that you have right here, 4x4, and then I think they did this to have it scalp like. So really, your color of your wig cap don't matter. You don't need to wear a wig cap unless you're just trying to keep your braids tame like me. Let me show you how it looks with the scalp light. This is the first I'm trying a scalp light. So this is how it looks. So you don't really have to color it. I don't know. So this is how it looks. I don't know how to feel about it yet because it's kind of white. Like, it's kind of whiter than me, and then down here it doesn't come all the way down here. So now my skin's gonna look kind of different from the scalp light thing that they were trying. So I'm thinking to put some of my foundation on the scalp area instead of my wig, right? But so far, the hair is as usual nice. I do have to flat iron it. I can see that they layered this hair, like look, and the layers are really short. But maybe it's a style. It's not a bob, so I'm sure that's not what they were trying to do. But maybe it's like they're trying to give us a way to wear it. So maybe like a sweep, straight, and then just curl. But I'm gonna fix it up because you know your girl can do her thing. This is the wig. I already flat ironed it. I put a little curl at the front. I will touch it up on camera, but this is how the wig is looking. I also did do a pre-pluck right there to make it look a little bit more natural. I also put some color underneath, but it still looked the same, so I think it will work. I put this mesh on my head because I don't think I need the new wig cap. So let's see how it works with this. Now I'm gonna apply the wig. I do not know if I'm gonna use my lace glue. I might just use the Got to Be glue.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people.
So guys, this is the finishing look of the hair, and at first I was doubting it. I was doubting it a little bit, because of the color, the highlights. I love the brown shade, but because of the highlights, I was kind of like, there's a lot of different browns up in here and blondes. But after I slayed it, this is why I said I had to use the lace glue, because I needed to see it slayed in order for it to fit me, or for me to say yes, this is 100. But I'm gonna say yes, this is a 10 out of 10 for me. I'm loving the color. I don't know how it looks on camera, so I hope it looks as good as I see it in the mirror. I will be putting just a little bit of concealer that matches my shade right here. I might even pluck it more when I get the wig off. But so far, I think the hair looks amazing. It does have a few split ends, but the reason why is because they layered the wig. So the way that they layered it, it wasn't layered like, there was just too many short hair layered. So it kind of gave it that look like it had a lot of split ends, but no, it's good hair. As you can see, it took heat very well, and I flat ironed it deeply before on the mannequin head and just now. When I use the edge control, it tames the flyaways or the split ends looking. So that is perfect, and that was a trick to get up hair slayed. I do hope you like this video, you enjoy watching me slay this wig that we both were like about. I have to say I'm very happy because this is the first I slayed my baby hair like this is the first I've slayed my baby hair like this. Like, it looks so natural. I love the lace. The lace is really nice. Like, the lace is, it's giving me that, like, this is my skin vibe for real. But so far, so good. This wig is amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you like this video. Comment below, good vibes only, what you think. Does it fit me or not? Did it fail? Did it, you know, just comment below. Good vibes only. Like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button and hit the notification button beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload. And thank you so much for your support. See you in the next one. Bye.